Eamcet 2020 Castewise passing marks. The most of the students are having doubt that if I get 37 marks in Eamcet and my caste is so and so, I will qualify Eamcet 2020 or not. So in this video we will be discussing caste-wise qualifying marks of Eamcet 2020. So make sure to watch this video completely. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is the instruction booklet taken from the APMSET 2020 official website. So here you can see that qualifying marks for APMSET 2020. So the qualifying percentage of marks for APMSET 2020 is 25% of the maximum marks. So you should have to get 25% of 160 marks, means minimum 40 marks. So this is applicable to all the students of caste, BCE, BCB, BCD, OC, etc. And you can see that, however, for the candidates belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, means SC and ST students, no minimum qualifying mark is prescribed, but their admission will be limited to the extent of seats reserved for such categories, via GO number 179. So for the students belonging to SC and ST caste, there will be no minimum marks. If you get marks below 40, then also you will be qualified APMSET 2020, but your seats will be to a limited extent. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.